I asked my AI coding agent to create 10 different product videos from one image. Not one video, then another prompt, then another website, then another model. 10 different versions in one workflow, with different hooks, styles, and creative directions. And this is the result. Some of these feel like direct response TikTok ads, some are more lifestyle focused, some lead with a close-up product shot, and one or two versions immediately stood out as something I would actually refine and use.
Hey everyone, welcome back to AiZen Tools. In today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at a platform that is designed to make your work faster and more efficient, especially if you create content, manage projects, or use AI in your daily workflow. So I'll show you the main features, how to use them, and what kind of results you can expect.
In this video, I'll show you what Topview is, how to install the cursor skill step by step, and then we'll put it to the test by creating 10 completely different TikTok-style advertisements from a single image of a portable blender. Before jumping into cursor, let's quickly understand what Topview actually is. Topview is an AI-powered video generation platform focused on creating marketing content, product advertisements, and social media videos. Instead of spending hours editing footage, adding transitions, writing captions, or animating products, Topview automates the entire workflow using AI. You simply provide a product image, a prompt describing the type of advertisement you want, and the AI generates polished marketing videos ready for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and more. What makes it especially powerful is its ability to create multiple creative variations while maintaining professional quality. To install the Topview skill in Cursor, first search for the Topview cursor skill on the Topview website and copy the entire skill prompt. Then, open Cursor, paste the prompt into a new chat with the AI agent, and ask it to install the skill. The agent will begin setting up the required files and project structure, which may involve a few background tasks and permission requests. After completing the installation process, Cursor successfully integrates the Topview skill and is ready to use it through natural language commands. From there, you can simply describe the video ads you want to create, and Cursor will generate them directly using Topview. Now comes the fun part. For this demonstration, I'm using a single product image of a portable blender. Normally, if you generated multiple AI videos using the exact same prompt, many of the outputs would feel repetitive. They would use similar compositions, similar camera movements, and often the same visual style. That's not what we want. If we're creating a real advertising campaign, every video should feel fresh and target a different audience or situation. So instead of asking Cursor to generate all 10 videos in one request, I decided to generate them one by one. After each video was created, I slightly modified the prompt, changed the visual direction, experimented with different generation models, and adjusted the artistic style. This simple workflow makes an enormous difference because each advertisement develops its own identity instead of becoming another variation of the previous one. For the prompts, I focused on creating completely different scenarios. One advertisement shows a fast breakfast routine where fresh fruits are blended into a smoothie before heading to work. Another targets fitness enthusiasts by showing protein shakes and post-workout nutrition. One focuses on commuters preparing a drink on the go. Another highlights the product itself with clean studio lighting and cinematic close-up shots. I also created a premium lifestyle version with luxurious lighting, elegant kitchen environments, and polished camera work. Another important trick was changing the generation model throughout the process. Different AI models interpret prompts differently. Some produce more cinematic results, others create highly stylized visuals, while others excel at realism. By switching models between generations, I naturally introduced more variety into the campaign. The result is a complete collection of short-form advertisements that feel diverse, engaging, and platform-ready. Rather than spending hours editing videos manually, Cursor and the Topview Skill handle the heavy lifting while you remain in control of the creative direction. By making small changes between generations, experimenting with different models, and giving detailed instructions for each concept, you can transform a single product image into an entire advertising campaign suitable for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or virtually any modern social media platform. You can try Topview Skill through the link at the top of the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.